Let me read the fourth fill-up. Each tab in a ribbon is divided into dash. In the top of the menu, we have a tab. 8 tabs are there. Each tab in a ribbon is divided into groups. The answer for this question is groups. Fifth fill-up. The save icon is on the dash tab. The save icon is the under file tab. The answer for this one, file. The save icon is on the dash file tab is the answer for this question. So next Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, columns range from dash. Option A to XFD. Option B 1 to 10,48,576. XFD to 90. Columns range from A to XFD. Option A is the right answer for this question. One of the tabs at the top of the document is dash. Option A, cancel. Option B, Microsoft Office. Option C, formulas. One of the tabs at the top of the document is formulas. Option C is the right answer for this question. Third one, commonly used features are displayed on the commonly used features. We have what? Cut, copy, file, insert. You can see in the ribbon tab. Okay, the answer for this question is A, ribbon. Good morning, students. This is the video for textbook book bag exercises, answers, explanations. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 1 and chapter 2 book bag exercise, questions, answers, explanations. So chapter 1, Roman 1, fill in the blanks. Read the questions. A collection of worksheet is known as dash. So understand the question. A collection of worksheets is known as dash. The answer for this question is workbook. Workbook, it has collection of worksheets. It has default 3 worksheets. The answer for this question is workbooks. Second fill-up. The rows in a worksheet are identified by dash. The columns in a worksheet identify column headings A, B, C, D. The rows in a worksheet are identified by numbers. The answer for the question is numbers. Third fill-up. The smallest unit of a worksheet is dash. The smallest unit of a worksheet is cell. Simple questions here. Column heading starts with A, B, C, D and end with X and end with again starts with AA and AB and goes on. So first one answer A. One of the tabs at the top of the document is formulas. Third one, commonly used features are displayed on the ribbon. Clear? Next one, fourth question. Entering data in a cell can be seen on the dash. Entering data in a cell can be seen on the option A, status bar. Option B, formula bar. C, scroll bar. Scroll bar is used for scrolling the screen. Status bar used for the source, columns, counts and selected values. So entering data in a cell can be seen in, you got the answer, option B, formula bar. Clear? Fifth, choose the correct answer. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Lotus 1.2.3, Google Spreadsheet and Microsoft Excel. Yes, you know the answer for this question. Microsoft Excel is the answer. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Microsoft Excel. So Google Spreadsheet we are using for the sending mails. We can attach the Google Spreadsheet for network. For we want to send network answers, you can use Google Spreadsheet. The commonly used application is Microsoft Excel. Clear? Let me read the next Roman. Identify the following icons. So look at the picture. So first one, you can see the picture, you can see in where first one is the answer save button, second one cancel, third one enter. Okay, so it's a very simple question over there. Icons, you can see the square box is save button, and two more is used for cancel, and third one tick is the enter. Clear? It's a very simple exercise. You can mark answers for these questions yourself. Let me read the next exercise. Label the pods marked in screenshot given below. So look at the picture. The first one, A3 focused pod is name box. When you select some cells in MS Excel, you can see the address of the cell in name box. The first one is name box, A3 focused area. Second one, f of x at the focused area is called what? Formula bar. You can see all the functions in you can create your own functions in formula bar. Third one, the earth focused cell, active cell, it is the active cell. Fourth one, what? Row numbers. Okay, so very simple exercise, you can understand. Let me explain the next Roman. Answer the following questions. The first question, define spreadsheet. So define spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a table that stores data which are arranged in rows and columns. You can see answer for this question in quick review first point. Clear? Quick review first point. Or you can give your own sentence. It has the combination of rows and columns. Second one, what are the various spreadsheet applications? It's a very simple question. The answer for this question is Lotus 1.2.3 and Google Spreadsheet and Microsoft Excel and OpenOffice Calc. Okay, so you can see answer for this question is page number 6 and the first paragraph. Okay, in spreadsheet paragraph we can see the define what are the various spreadsheet applications: Excel, Lotus 1.2.3, OpenOffice Calc, Google Spreadsheet, page number 6, first paragraph. Let me read the next question. Write the features of MS Excel. Write the features of Excel. Answer for this question is simple. You can give your own sentence also. Page number 6, you can see the end of the paragraph. It has the functions, formulas, charts, or you can write your own answers. Microsoft Excel is a member of Microsoft Office. It spreads many built-in features, tools like functions, formulas, charts, etc. Page number 6, end of the page paragraph, we can see the answer for this question. Clear? Let me read the next question. Name the tabs in the ribbon of the Excel 2010 window. It's a very simple question. Name the tab. So we have 8 tabs in ribbon. Page number 9, ribbon paragraph. You can see the answer for this question. Page number 9, ribbon paragraph. So we have a home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and team. So we have 8 tabs in ribbon tab. home, we want to make alignments or want to edit, update your data. So using this group of icons, you can make alignments in 8 tabs. The page number 9, see the ribbon tab, paragraph, we can see the answer for this question. Let me read the next question. So very simple questions are here. You can mark answers yourself. Differentiate between cancel button and enter button in Excel. Differentiate between cancel button and enter button in Excel. So the cancel button used for cancel the value cell, entered value, and enter button used for goes for next row, next entering next row in a cell. Okay, so you can give answer for this question your own sentence. Next question, 6th one, discuss the steps to save your worksheet. Very simple question. Go to file menu and you can see the option of save button in file menu. Click the save. You can save your document or workbook, or you can go to quick access toolbar, click the icon of a save icon. You can save, it will ask the name of the file, you can give the name of the file. So these are the steps you have to follow to save your file. Simple question, or you can give your own sentence for this question. Clear? So we have completed the answer. The following questions are Roman. Very simple, 6 questions are there. Read all the questions. The question for PT1 exam, the questions will be asked from answer the following questions. I have set questions from your book by exercise. So read carefully. Read all the Romans, and creative brainstorming questions will be asked for you. So you have to give your own sentence answer. Make your own sentence. Okay, so let me read the next exercise. Answer the following briefly. First one, cell, active cell, cell address, explanation about rows and columns. You have to define cell, and next one active cell, cell address. So very simple. Cell, you can see the focused, the part of the workbook is called active cell. You can see the answer for this question is page number 8, cell paragraph. The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell. It is called a cell. Active cell means what? The selected area. Okay, it's a active cell is identified by a thick bordered rounded rectangle around it. Page number 8, cell paragraph. You can see the answer. Next one, cell address, you can see in the name box. Okay, so answer for this question is in cell address used for the getting cell address. Selected active cell address we can see in cell address. Explain about rows and columns. The intersection for rows and columns is very simple. Page number 8, rows, columns paragraph are there. You can write the answers from that paragraph. Okay, the rows in a worksheet are identified by numbers on the left side of the worksheet. The maximum number of rows in a worksheet is 10,48,576. The rows are numbered from 1 to 10,48,576. The columns in a worksheet are identified by letter across the top of the worksheet. The maximum number of columns in a worksheet 16,384. The columns are labeled by letters ranging from A to XFD. Clear? So simple questions. So look at the page number 8. You can get the answers for these questions. So next exercise, differentiate between worksheet and workbook. It's a very simple question. Worksheet means what? Workbook, it has the collection of worksheets. Default workbook, it has the 3 worksheet. Workbook, a worksheet, a spreadsheet is a collection of rows and column known as worksheet. Okay, workbook collection of worksheets, Worksheet what is a collection of rows and columns. You can see answer for this question is page number 6 also available, and page number 7 spreadsheet, a collection of rows and columns known as worksheet. Page number 7 you can see end of the paragraph answer for these questions. Okay, very simple questions. You can write answer for this question. Look at the page number 7 end of the paragraph. Okay, so let me explain the next part. Creative moments already we completed as activity, so skip. Next on glossary, the meanings of the words program, a set of instructions for the computer to perform tasks. Program is a set of instructions, collection of statements we are giving to computer to do some task. And next one, application, a program or piece of software designed to fulfill particular purpose. What do you mean by application? MS Excel is a software application. It is used for fulfill some particular purpose. Intersection, a place where the points or lines meet. Okay, mouse pointer, graphical image on the computer monitor. Other displays device than echoes mouse movements. So mouse pointer used for the, we can roam in mouse monitor to select some icons or go to some places to access the files in the monitor screen. Okay, so very simple words are there in glossary area. You can answer. Next one, acronyms. QAT stands for Quick Access Toolbar. In the top of the ribbon you can see the often used controls you can place in Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, so lesson 1 book bag exercise question answers I have explained here. I hope very simple questions are there. Read all the questions for a PT1 exam. Let me go for chapter 2 book bag exercises. Chapter 2, page number 19. Take the page number 19. The first exercise. Answer the following in one word. First one, which keys help you to select cells using the keyboard? Which keys help you to select cells using the keyboard? The shift key is the answer. When you hold a shift key and using arrow keys, you can select multiple cells in a worksheet. So write the answer shift and plus arrow keys. Answer for this question is shift plus arrow keys. Second one, how will you select a single row in a worksheet? Very simple question. Just right click the mouse, place the single row, or you can select number 2 row. You can select number 2 row from your mouse. Okay, or press control plus row number, it will be selected. The answer for this question is click on row number left side of worksheet. Okay, it will be selected. Which provides additional information when you select range of cells? Which provides additional information when you select range of cells? Status bar, you can see the name box. It will give the address of the cell. Okay, you can see, answer for this question is status bar. It will give counts and average sum of the values selected rows. Okay, the answer for this question is status bar. Fourth one, in which group is the paste icon located? In which group is the paste icon located? The answer for this question is clipboard. Okay, we want to paste some values, use go to clipboard, paste, click the paste, it will be pasted to somewhere. Let us see the next Roman. Identify the name of the icons from the real-time pictures and write its shortcut keys. So first one, you can see the symbol icon used for the pasting the value cells, control plus V. So you have to shortcut keys for the answer for this question is control plus V, pasting the selected values. Third one, copying data, control plus C. You want to copy the data, press control plus C. Fourth one, cut. Want to cut some data, press control plus X. Control plus X is the answer. Let us see the next exercise. Answer the following in one line. First one, in how many ways you can select a cell, name them. So we can select the cell in two ways, using mouse pointer or using shortcut keys. Two is the answer. Two ways. What is the advantage of using extend function? Using extend function, we can select the cells. So press F8 key, we can select multiple columns. Okay. So using the extend function, what is the advantage of using extend function? Selecting multiple columns and rows. Answer for this question is selecting multiple values we can give. Write down the icons available in the clipboard group. Simple, paste, copy and cut. Okay, simple answers. How will you select a single cell? For this questions already you know the answer. How will you select a single cell? Just right click the mouse or you can place your mouse cursor which desired cell, it will be selected. Okay, so it's a very simple question. You can give your own answers for these questions. Let me go for next exercise. So let me explain the next section. Fifth Roman, rearrange the sentences for the following actions. Read carefully all the list of the items. To select a range of cells using extend function, understand the concept of extend function here. It will be used for selecting multiple columns and rows. So first one, C is the first step. Now press F8. Next, click on the cell where you want to start your selection. Next option is C, D. And third one, now click on the cell where you want to end your selections. Third one is a B. And fourth one, press F8 key to turn off extend function. So answer for this question, order is C, D, B and A. I repeat, C, D, B and A. Okay, so understand. Next one, to cut and paste the cells. It's very simple, you know answers for these steps. You can rearrange it. Select the cell that you want to wish to cut. C is the first step. C is the first step. And the second one, select the cells where you would like to paste the data. A is the answer, second answer, and the B step is the third one, and the last one is a D. Okay, so these steps you have to follow. Rearrange sentences. It's a very simple. Understand the concept of extend function, the cut, copy, paste operations. You can rearrange it easily. Clear? Next exercise. Answer the following briefly. You can answers for these questions from your textbook paragraphs. You can mark the answers from yourself. It's very simple. Autofill feature and discuss the steps to copy and paste cells in a worksheet. You can get answer for this question. In fifth Roman, to cut and copy paste the cells. That steps you can write it. Those steps you can write it. And next exercise, brainstorming. What is the difference between copy and cut? What is the difference between copy and cut? Copy means what? When you copy the data, it will be available in that place. When you cut the data, it will not be available in that place. This is the difference between copy and cut. When you select the cells and copying, the data will be available in the old place. When you cut the data, it will not be available from the selected place. This is the difference between copy and cut. For this question, you can give your own sentence answer. Clear? Try to make your own sentence. Let me read the next section of the test plate. They have given on table. Enter the data given below in a spreadsheet about salespersons and their sales details and do as directed. It's a simple activity. Look at the table. They are given salesperson and a region, dolls and trucks, puzzles, values and column headings values. Understand this. If you have system in your home, you can work with this table or leave it. Okay. So shortcut keys, already we were discussed about shortcut keys. F8 key used for the extend function. Control plus A used for the selecting entire documents. Control plus C used for copy. Control plus V used for paste, control plus X used for the cut the data. Okay, so very simple questions exercise over there, you can complete it. So read all the sections for our PT1 examinations. The questions will be asked from book by exercises and creative writing. So read carefully. Any doubts, send your doubts to my personal WhatsApp number as call me. I will clear your doubts. Complete your classic note and mark all the answers in your textbook. So don't be defaulters. So complete your classic note. Already I have explained the Romans what you have to write in classic note. Okay, complete it on time.